Today we're going to look at how we do electronic receipts. So if you want to submit your receipts electronically with your expense report, I'll show you how to do that. On my phone, I've got an app called CamScanner, that one at the bottom right, CamScanner right here. CamScanner. You can download that in the iTunes store. So what I do is I click on that button and it pulls up this screen. So basically, this is the ones that I've done so far. So I'm going to click this button, which is the photo, and it's going to already be in a batch mode. So all I have to do is get so that the receipt is the only thing on the screen. Click the little button, takes a picture, and click a little button, takes a picture. Then I hit finish, and what it'll do is it'll take those two and make them so they're just takes out all the background, just looks like a scanned document. So now I've got two nice receipts I can use. What I do is hit email, pick PDF, and then I email that to myself. Now I can take the PDF of my expense report, combine it with this PDF with my receipts, and then that's all I need. I can send that off to my manager for review and approval. And that's how you do it. Thanks very much.